It's up to us what we do with it. Kundli milana hai, nahi milana hai. So we'll have to look into that. Having worked in the school education department for about 4 years and now heading the collegiate and technical education, I do have some insights into this department. And let me tell you that good days have arrived for this department. For the reason that none less than the Chief Minister is heading this department today. And in no uncertain terms, he has told us that he intends making a change, and that is visible, as you can see. Today itself, we have a huge program at the LB Stadium where around 50,000 teachers of the school education department are going to be addressed directly by him. And these are teachers who have got promotions after a period of some 10 to 12 years. So the first thing this government has decided, which is really so welcome, is you can't make people run like horses without giving them a pat on the back. And that is the pat on the back they received in terms of their promotions this year. And so now what we call in Telugu as Disha Nirdesham. The CM is going to tell the teachers what is going to be their priority and how he intends to take the education department forward. Coming to the higher education department, which I currently head now in terms of collegiate and technical, not only is this report going to be helpful, but I do have a lot of inputs right away in terms of increasing the quality of engineering colleges especially. I can see Palla Anurag here, so I happen to see him, I don't know, yeah, right. So one is that we seem to have had a plethora of colleges that have suddenly come up with the AICTE giving them permissions to increase the number of seats, but the main core branches, that is mechanical, civil and electrical, having no takers. This is very alarming because you really can't run this country only with computer engineers. So the government has taken a stand that we will protect the core engineering branches. And that, I think, is a very welcome step. Apart from that, we also see that there is a requirement to upskill our polytechnics. I don't know if that has come about in this report, but another welcome step taken by this government is that they want to upgrade all government polytechnics in the state, at least at the rate of 1 per district, to make it a government engineering college. I think this is also a very, very important step in the making of a skilled economy, a skilled youth of this state. And as you would have also read in the papers yesterday, we have also come up with a skill university. Yesterday, the Honorable CM had inaugurated, had laid the foundation stone for this. And this is another huge step that we are taking in the field of skilling of the state of Telangana. Last but not the least, I would like to tell you all that as we go forward, it is so important that we link industry and the education sector. We realize that importance, and which is why whatever efforts we are putting forward are now completely in tandem with what the industry needs. For example, we have now started what we call the BFSI courses with a consortium of corporates who are promoting banking and financial services and insurance studies in the undergraduate courses. So this is another thing that probably no other state in this country has been doing. So we will be introducing these courses shortly in the degree and in the engineering colleges. This is, like I was saying, another step towards walking the path together with the industry. So as we go ahead, I will be definitely looking forward for more interactions. and more suggestions which we will very seriously and with a lot of dedication take forward to make a difference to the education sector in this state. Very well in terms of what Honorable Chief Minister wants for this department, and good days are ahead, and we hope to work together with you. Thank you.